Hello, I'm Ben Coombes, Installation Director for BG Sync EV, and welcome to the first in a series of videos introducing our latest innovations in EV charging, the Wall Charger 2 range. Be sure to watch our follow-up videos which will cover product unboxing, installation, configuration and commissioning, and finally, Monta, the all-in-one platform for home and commercial charging. Wall Charger 2 is a range that builds on the legacy of our popular EVS and EVT chargers whilst introducing several enhancements. 3 chargers make up this range to include a 7 kW single-phase socketed charger, a Type 2 7.4 kW tethered charger with 7.5 metre charging cable, and to complete this range, a 22 kW 3-phase socketed charger. These next generation of wall chargers are even easier to install. We've designed them with multiple cable entry points, simple internal cable management, which makes them a breeze for the installer. What sets the Wall Charger 2 apart is the range of connectivity options that it offers. While all models come with Wi-Fi and Ethernet connectivity, there is also optional 4G and RFID. These additional options provide flexibility for various charging needs. On the Wall Charger 2 range, we've added the option for you to change the colour of your cover from the standard grey to a colour that suits your personal taste or match your property or vehicle. Now let's talk about the warranty. Our Wall Charger 2 range comes with a full 3-year product warranty as standard. For our 22 kW customers, this also includes on-site support. Finally, I'd like to mention that our Mode 3 EV charger is powered by Monta, the all-in-one platform for domestic and commercial charging needs. Monta seamlessly integrates with the charger to provide a user-friendly interface and advanced features to enhance the charging experience. If you're a business that would like to set charging rates for public or business use, then Monta has all these facilities and more, including Apple's paid charging, smart queuing, and fleet management. All of these great features are supported by our in-house commercial team. We are confident that you'll find everything that you need for home or commercial charging in our range of chargers. For sales and support queries, please visit syncev.co.uk. Stay tuned for the next video in the series where we'll cover unboxing with Gareth Yeomans, the EV Technical Manager.